Welcome back to V12 Motorsports. Today we're changing the oil on a 2018 BMW X5 with a 3.5. So it's going to take 0-30 oil, and we'll jump right into it. So now I'm under the car. There's your drain plug, and it is a 17 millimeter. Nope, 17 millimeter. So I'm just going to crack that loose. I hate the oil ones, the oil plugs that are on the bottom. I hate drain plugs that are on the bottom. It gets all over your ratchet and socket. Can we stop doing this? Yeah, oil draining nicely. Let's give it a while. Alright, so once you get your oil filter out, place that aside. I have a new kit over here. And they gave me a new copper O-ring. So I can replace this one. Then take a pick. Use your right angle or hook one works. Take off the small O-ring on top of the filter. Then you're going to take off the big one on the bottom. Reverse the process. I hate putting the small ones on. So that's a finished product. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm not sure what the camera sees right now. Then just take out the filter. Sit that right inside. And that's it. Take some fresh motor oil. Put it on the O-rings. Just so you lubricate and it gets a nice seal. Screw down the filter by hand till you can't get it tightened anymore, and then use the BMW filter wrenched filter socket tool. You're finally done. When you're finally done, this is what it looks like. And it says torque to 2.5 to 5 Newton meters. Now that you're done draining, screw the drain plug back in. Make sure to clean up any residue that's on the sides. And then tighten it back down. So that's tight. This BMW is the 3-liter inline 6 turbo. So it's going to take 6.9 quarts of this 0W30 full synthetic. So have fun pouring that in. This was 5 quarts, so that's the whole thing going in. So make sure it's not leaking out the side, pouring it in the funnel. One thing I hate about this car is there's no dips. This makes it a lot easier. Okay, on this bottle, it is set up to quarts. So we need 1 quart, 2 quarts. So you're going up to like that 3 line right there. Be careful when you pour this one in, not to overfill. That's about 1 quart. One and a half. Just a little more. Okay, then once you're done, throw your garbage away, put your oil cap back on, start the car. This car doesn't have the oil light, so I'm not going to show how to reset it. Okay, so check the oil level. You go into the settings, you go to My Vehicle, and you go to Vehicle Status, and you go Measure Oil Level. The car should be on a level surface. Start measuring. You want to warm up the engine a little bit so the oil expands. This takes about a minute or two to upload all the measuring that it's doing. I don't know why I just exited. Now I checked it before trying to show you guys how to do this, and it was at the maximum, so that's where it should be. It does say oil level okay. That's really what you're looking for. It will tell you if you're over or under.